In a fast learning sprint, Alex used everyday objects as memory anchors to lock complex formulas in place during math finals. He linked a mug, a keychain, and a chair to discrete steps, turning study routines into a mental treasure map. When fatigue hit, he walked to the queue and instantly retrieved the prior steps, cutting study time by half. Real-world success stories include a software engineer who paired keyboard shortcuts with memory hooks to master algorithms in days. This episode breaks down the setup, the cues, and the practice drills you can replicate tonight to accelerate recall.